Hello guys and welcome back to the reaction zone. In today's lesson, we're going to look at how to balance the redox equation on the board using oxidation number method. This redox equation on the board is in basic medium, which is clearly seen by the presence of OH minus. So the first thing to do is to assign oxidation numbers to all the elements in this chemical equation. The oxidation number of chlorine here is 0, for this iodine is plus 5, oxygen minus 2, oxygen here minus 2, this hydrogen plus 1, iodine here is plus 7, oxygen here minus 2, chlorine here minus 1, hydrogen here plus 1, oxygen here minus 2. So if you look at the redox equation after the assigning of oxidation numbers, you will see that there is a change in the oxidation number of chlorine from 0 to minus 1, and there is also a change in the oxidation number of iodine from plus 5 to plus 7. So we bring them out. So we have Cl2 give us 2Cl minus, and then we have IO3 minus to give us IO4 minus. We are putting these two here so that the number of atoms of chlorine on both sides of this equation will be the same. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. The oxidation number of chlorine here will be 0. Oxidation number of chlorine here will be minus 1 times 2, which is minus 2. The oxidation number of iodine here is plus 5. Oxidation number of iodine here is plus 7. So if you look at equation 1, you can see that the change in the oxidation number of chlorine is by 2 units. And if you look at equation 2, you will also see that the change in the oxidation number of iodine is also by 2 units. So we can state that decrease in oxidation number of chlorine is by 2 units per molecule of Cl2, and increase in oxidation number of iodine is simply 2 units as well. So since the increase in oxidation number of iodine is equal to the decrease in the oxidation number of chlorine, we can now add both equations together. When we do that, we would have Cl2 plus IO3 minus to give us 2Cl minus plus IO4 minus. Now let us not forget that this equation, the original equation, is in basic medium. So to balance the oxygen atoms here, we'll have to balance the oxygen atoms using the rule for balancing oxygen atoms in basic medium. There are 3 oxygen atoms on the left-hand side. There are 4 oxygen atoms here. So there is an excess of 1 here. So, for this excess of 1 here, we're going to add 1 molecule of water to this side and then add 2 OH minus to the other side. So if we rewrite this properly, it will now be Cl2 plus IO3 minus plus 2 OH minus will give us 2Cl minus plus IO4 minus plus H2. If you look at this clearly, you will see that apart from chlorine and iodine atoms that are already balanced, you will see that the number of oxygen atoms here is 5, 3 plus 2 here. The number of oxygen atoms here is also 5, 4 plus 1. The number of hydrogen atoms here is 2, and the number of hydrogen atoms here is 2. So this tells you that this is a balanced redox equation, and this is the answer to the problem. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.